whether it be in assembling a circuit board, building a personal computer base, or simply getting a stereo system together for our personal enjoyment. Each element in these systems does its job, but performs best in concert with its other components. The components of 3/4-inch U-Matic production technology have improved remarkably in the space of less than 10 years. But to date, they have been isolated instruments, joined together in systems in as many ways as there are individuals. No comprehensive approach has ever been possible from any manufacturer. Now, that has changed. Sony introduces the Type V U-Matic, the tool for tomorrow's video generation. Designed as a professional business instrument, the Type V machine is available in a series of models with a family of accessories that makes it the most versatile system available as a system in today's VTR technology. The components that build the Type V system are individually impressive, each with a kind of design features that have established Sony as the standard bearer in U-Matic recording and playback. Sony introduced the first U-Matic in 1972. Now, less than a decade later, Sony redefines the boundaries for U-Matic with new Type V. The Type V system includes 4 VTRs, each displaying contemporary human-engineered design and outstanding features. All 4 VTRs boast a totally new tape transport system that allows front loading. The aluminum die-cast chassis are designed for rack mounting in a standard 19-inch rack. The Type V family includes the VO5850 editing U-Matic, a new generation editor with faster editing speeds, improved picture quality, and editing accuracy. The VO5800 is next in the new line and is a sophisticated, high-end recorder player with bi-direct search capability, programmed and timer operation, and fine still picture that is key to the Type V line. The VO5600 supports the Type V system line as a superb quality recorder player with programmed and timer operation and a ×5 search capability in both forward and reverse. The 4th member of the Type V family is the VP5000 player model, also featuring the same DC drive mechanism, servo system, headphone level control, and other key features of the new Type V system. 4 new U-Matics that form the vanguard of U-Matic technology and design. Now, there is a 3/4-inch system that has both professional performance and professional looks as well. While the U-Matics themselves are revolutionary, it is the catalytic combination of the VTRs and their new accessories that result in a system offering incredible potential. Now, with a selection of peripheral equipment, a U-Matic system can be designed to meet any level of sophistication required. Type V U-Matics and accessories form a matrix of potential, beginning with the RM500, a basic function remote control unit, and the RM580, Sony's full-function remote controller. The RM555 is a building block multi-remote control unit that offers control of 5 VTRs for simultaneous or sequential record and playback. With additional RM555 control units, up to 20 VTRs can be added in building blocks of 5. The system potential increases even further with the introduction of a VTR selector and video audio switcher and a video audio distributor. The RM-V5 VTR selector and the VCS 500 video audio switcher allow for selection of 1 VTR out of 5 for both video and audio output signal. And when teamed up with the RM555 multi-remote control unit, it offers multiple VTR selection of up to 5 VTRs. The video audio distributor, the DA500, is an independently AC-powered unit with 5 outputs of signal distribution: 2 channels audio, video, line, and dub. The system's potential of the Type V U-Matics and accessories is also enhanced by the compatibility of Sony's random access controllers, the RX353 and 303, for interactive video systems and other applications. The system's concept is completed with new professional consoles designed to accommodate growing 3/4-inch Type V systems. The console furniture includes a side desk and point-of-sale unit for standalone applications. In addition, unit racks and extension racks are available with multiple width tables, enabling the user to build a system exactly to his specifications now and add on as expansion requires. The console line also includes rack mounting kits for the Type V peripherals, including the remote control units, switcher, and distributor. Type V U-Matic stand alone at the edge of video cassette recording technology, and with their accessory units, they will revolutionize the way in which we understand and use U-Matic equipment. U-Matic is the workhorse of the basic editing and production activity in facilities that produce and post visual communications for business, government, industry, and general communications. A state-of-the-art mainstay, SONY equipment has performed with consistent high quality and with operating features that have sustained its industry leadership. Now, the features of the editing U-Matic VO5850 and the RM440 editor create a building block system that can expand beyond the basics to support user growth with a simple addition of components designed for this end. The SONY two-machine edit system, comprised of Type V VTRs and the RM440 editor, can now expand 3/4-inch post-production to an AB editing system. By using the RM-V5 VTR selector, the RM555 multi-remote control unit, and the VCS 500 video audio switcher, additional VTRs can be added to the post-production setup to offer AB switching. With the addition of new Type V peripherals, basic editing expands to meet growing production needs, all within a SONY system. Planned growth for the production business. The Type V systems have particular suitability in another area, that of private or public signal distribution systems, such as in-house systems or cable television operations. With the nationwide growth of these communications networks, comes the demand for reliable and expandable record and playback support. Cable systems must respond to demand for programming, whether recorded from master feeds or generated internally, or purchased in pre-packaged formats. Type V can help meet all of these challenges. Beyond basic production, Type V can totally systematize distribution requirements, and there will be design improvements as well. Initially, the new machines will alter equipment space. Standard U-Matics required both horizontal and vertical space to accommodate size and top loading. Additional hardware was necessary to create roller drawers where vertical space was unavailable. Now, the Type V machines, all designed for standard 19-inch rack mounting, will fit more desirably into standard racks. Fully a third of the space currently consumed by standard U-Matics will be saved. And with the addition of Type V accessories, the multi-remote control unit and video audio switcher building block package added to the Type V U-Matic, you have a sequential recording and playback system for an operation that requires reliability, but is not always operator attended. This same type of reliability and programmable system concept is ideal for playback-only distribution systems, such as those used by a growing number of hotels and leisure properties. The SONY Type V system, with players and accessories, provides a total, reliable, and programmable signal distribution network designed to function in unattended applications. And once again, Type V systems expand to meet growing needs. Duplication facilities relying on SONY standards of quality for many years will appreciate the Type V features for their applications. Whether the workload is supported by a basic multi-machine package for regular and routine duplications, or if it is a major scale duplication and distribution effort, SONY Type V has the system waiting. Immediate space saving can be realized, and staging mechanisms, such as drawers to allow top loading, can be eliminated. And the front load design of the Type V allows for greater ease of access for routine maintenance and service of the units. Since the Type V U-Matic VO5800 recorder player was designed for remote operation, the U-Matic and system accessories for remote control allow a duplicator to build a system as small or as large as meets his needs, and offers him the flexibility to build on a core Type V system at any time. The Type V machines and systems also have complete interface with Sony's Betamax industrial recorder players. So a 3/4-inch production operation can easily utilize 1/2-inch for distribution of large quantities. Sony has already pioneered the concept of interactive video, and U-Matics have played a key role in this area. Type V continues in that direction and is completely compatible with the RX 353, 303 units and the video responder. U-Matic, the world hallmark for consistent quality, and Sony's name means innovation and refinement. Now, Sony starts another wave in the revolution it started in 1972 with the birth of U-Matic. U-Matic is a universal standard, a format that is here to stay and grow. Sony recognizes that standard and knows that U-Matic is forever, and has developed Type V and peripherals, which might actually be called essentials. Essentials for creating effortless, expandable building block systems, all from a single source. Type V systems, giving fresh meaning to the phrase, the next generation of technology. Available today from Sony.
3 and Type 4. Now, Sony alters the state of video one more time and announces Type V, taking the first step into tomorrow's technology in video cassette recording and playback systems. More than a solitary machine, Type V represents a family of new products, both recorder players and accessories. With the announcement of Type V, a total system approach to 3/4-inch production, editing, duplication, and distribution is finally possible. As video technology begins to touch more lives, we recognize it as one of the most effective tools that help us communicate with one another. The video system of tomorrow will complement the business and communications portfolio of individuals, business, and government around the world. The family of Type V is a complementary one, with each distinct member developed for a particular purpose. 4 units comprise the core of this new U-Matic system. All are designed with the professional look of a 19-inch standard rack-mountable die-cast chassis. A front-loading mechanism dramatically improves ease of operation and required staging space. The VO5850 is the premier recorder with features that make it the leader in editing U-Matics. Those features include fast and easy editing with the use of a search dial that works in either direction, and a real servo system for smooth changes in search speed. It is fully automatic when used with the Sony RM440 editor, and editing is accurate to plus or minus 2 frames with a noiseless still feature that keeps almost perfect control track count. With a built-in pre-roll edit function, the video from a camera or other video source can be edited as easily as another tape source. Its high performance, ease of operation, excellent reliability, and system versatility make it the editing U-Matic without peer. The balance of the system includes the VO5800, a sophisticated high-end recorder player with 2 video input selections, backspace edit, and bidirect search. And the VO5600 recorder player, featuring programmed and timer operation and a ×5 search capability in both forward and reverse. The VP5000 player completes the line, featuring the same DC drive mechanism, servo system, and other key features of the Type V U-Matic. Sony sweeps across the line to change the life of U-Matic. But more than editors, recorders, and players, the next generation of U-Matic creates an endless realm of system possibilities with the introduction of the family's peripherals. The RM500, a basic function remote system. The RM580, a full function remote control unit. The RM555, Sony's new multi-remote controller that allows simultaneous control and sequential record playback control of up to 5 VTRs for each controller. The RMV5, a VTR selector capable of single or multiple VTR selection when used in combination with other accessories. The VCS500, a video audio switcher. And the DA500, a video audio distributor. These accessories, when used in combination with the new Type V U-Matics, generate a catalytic reaction that can transform basic editing setups into remote-controlled A/B switching systems or create effortless tiers of record or playback setups for duplication or any type of distribution requirement. Each system building on the basics, expanding as required with the addition of Type V peripheral equipment. A total systems approach from Sony. And finally, Type V U-Matics and accessories are compatible with Sony's random access and interactive video systems. Now, for the first time in U-Matic history, a pool of resources is at the user's fingertips to build a system to meet every conceivable application of VTR technology and systems that interface with Sony's industrial Betamax recorders, linking together the family of industrial products. And in addition to the new professional look in VTRs, there's a new professional look in console furniture, designed specifically for Type V machines, for applications that range from point of purchase and standalone units to modular racks and tables that allow the user to custom assemble the right components for individual needs. Sony Type V U-Matic, because it was time to change the way we use the timeless U-Matic format. More than a machine, building through systems tomorrow's generation of VTRs. Available today from Sony.